The main benefit of a convertible 2-inch-1 laptop is the possibility of using it as a tablet and a conventional laptop, but models such as the 15-inch Dell XPS 15 demonstrate that the form factor can also be cutting-edge. Little manageable platform to show the latest CPU innovations. The last big and cutting-edge 2-inch-1 is HP Envy x360 15, introduced this week with a selection of Intel or AMD processors and AMD Radeon RX Vega graphics. It is one of nearly a dozen new or upgraded laptops and desktops that HP announced, including a 34-inch curved all-in-one desktop designed for businesses with conventional 13 and 17-inch Envy laptops. Like the Dell XPS 15, the Envy x360 15 for $749 will be quite difficult to operate in tablet mode, since it weighs almost 5 pounds. Compare that to 13-inch convertibles or conventional laptops like the LG Gram 13, which weigh as little as 2 pounds. Still, for that extra weight, the Envy x360 15 promises to be a very powerful machine for content creators, assuming they order a fully AMD configuration. With a Vega GPU and Ryzen CPU, you can approach the power of a laptop with an Nvidia GTX 10 series graphics card at a fraction of the price and weight.